how to enable microphone in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Now we're in this settings interface. Here on the left, you can simply tap on sound. So this is the section where you can customize the sound of the game. Now slowly scroll down to the bottom part. Now here on the right bottom, there's an option called microphone input. Simply tap on it and enable it. So when this is enabled, battle sound effects will be played in stereo. So this is a great feature that you can use. So you must enable it to even communicate with other teammates and players. Now if you go back, it's all saved and you're ready to play. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.